Capital One released a new secured credit card, and we're here to give you a review of the Capital One Quicksilver Secured Cash Rewards Card. Hi everyone, I'm Laura Adams, personal finance expert for Finder.com. A quick note before we get started. Finder is an affiliate of Capital One, and while we may get paid when you apply for a Capital One card through our site, our opinions here are our own and independent of that relationship. As I mentioned, the Quicksilver Secured Credit Card is a new secured card from Capital One. It's designed for consumers who might not have great credit or even any credit history. And because it's a secured credit card, that means you must put down a security deposit to open your account. The amount varies from $49, $99, or $200, depending on your credit. What separates Quicksilver Secured Card from other secured cards is its generosity. It offers a surprisingly solid rewards rate on all your purchases, comes with no annual fee, and may even offer you a credit limit that's higher than your security deposit. So let's break down the card's features. Let's talk about rewards. The Quicksilver Secured Card pays 1.5% cash back on all your purchases, which is notable for a couple of reasons. One, finding a secured card that offers any rewards is rare. That's because the whole point of a secured card is to build your credit, not necessarily to earn rewards. The second is that it was just a year or two ago that 1.5% was the industry standard rate on unlimited cash back for a standard unsecured credit card. It would have been unthinkable to earn that rate on a secured card. Now, let's talk about the security deposit. Typically, your credit line on a secured card gets tied to your deposit. For instance, if you were to put down $150, you could spend up to $150 on your card. But the Quicksilver Secured Card takes a slightly different approach. Depending on your credit limit, it may offer a $200 credit line even if you only deposit $99 or even $49, but that will depend on your credit. Now, I mentioned there's no annual fee. The Quicksilver Secured Card comes with no annual charges. That's an important feature when it comes to secured cards because your primary goal is building your credit, not paying fees for card features. Another great feature is no minimum credit score. You can apply for this card even if you have poor credit. While you're not guaranteed card approval, and Capital One will review your financial information, other secured cards may require you to have a fair credit score. There aren't too many drawbacks to the Quicksilver Secured Card. Now, the variable APR does run high at 26.99%, but that's not unusual for a secured card. Remember that you shouldn't use a secured card to carry a balance. If your goal is building your credit, it's best to pay off your balance each month. The Quicksilver Secured Card is an excellent choice for rebuilding your credit, and it's a top pick if you have poor credit. Its rewards rate, no annual fee, and the ability for you to get a higher credit limit than your deposit makes this card a very wise choice. However, if you have no credit history, there may be some stronger choices for you, including the Pedal 2 Cashback No Fees Visa. So always check out all your card options before making your final decision. You can check out the full review of the Quicksilver Secured Card and other secured cards on Finder.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe so you'll be the first to know when new videos drop from Finder.com. Thanks for watching.